Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427, because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will stop Windows Update services. Then you can run the second command. This will rename the software distribution folder. Now run the third command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will restart Windows Update service. And then you can run the last command. This will create a new software distribution folder, and once this is done, now you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry, try to install it again. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. You can click on pause, and once the update is paused, click on resume updates, and now you can install the update. Still not working, you can run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update. So whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update over here, and then click on search. Type in WINVER in Windows search box, and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. And then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and check your system type. Now for me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11. Let me change the language over here. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download, and then click on KB5089573, whichever update you are unable to install, you can install that update manually. So download it. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then once the installation is complete, restart your PC, and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows setting. The next step is to close all the third-party application. So make sure only the update is running, rest close everything, all the browsers, all the application, everything. If you have an anti-cheat program like Faceit Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC, and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to recovery option, advanced option over here first, and then click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then you have to click on accept. So click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can try to install the update once again. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.